Have you ever noticed and wondered why some people are able to manifest anything they want, almost at ease, while you seem to struggle? You might be surprised to learn that one simple thing they do is separating them from you. You see, the universe doesn't operate on a future timeline. It exists eternally in the present. When you declare, "Today will be a fantastic day," you inadvertently delay your joy indefinitely. The universe perceives this as a request for a fantastic day in the distant future. Now, don't worry if you are a little confused here, because we're going to break it all down step by step and reveal exactly what the Dolores Cannon technique is and how to use her secret prayer to manifest anything. Ready to get started? Let's go. So, who is Dolores Cannon? Dolores Cannon, a prominent figure in metaphysical and spiritual studies, was a trailblazer in helping individuals unlock the power of manifestation. She was renowned for her work in hypnotherapy and regression, which uncovered the deep connections between the mind and the ability to manifest desires. Her innovative techniques allowed individuals to access profound states of consciousness, opening doors to their own inner wisdom and potential. Her significant contributions to metaphysical and spiritual studies extended to the realm of manifestation, illuminating the paths that lead to turning dreams into reality. Dolores Cannon's teachings shed light on how our thoughts and intentions shape our world, providing valuable insights for those seeking to harness the power of manifestation. In manifestation, the language we use plays a pivotal role. When we constantly refer to our desires in the future tense, we inadvertently postpone their realization. Dolores Cannon was well aware of the issues that come along with using future-oriented language when trying to manifest desires. She emphasizes that phrases like "I will be successful" or "I will find love" can keep our goals perpetually distant, delaying their realization. Dolores Cannon's teachings stressed the importance of aligning your language with the present moment when manifesting. By shifting your language to the present tense and say, "I am successful" or "I am experiencing love," you connect with the energy of your desires in the here and now. This simple shift in language brings your aspirations closer and helps you manifest your deepest wishes effectively. Dolores' work encouraged individuals to embrace the power of the present tense in their language to aid their manifestation. Dolores Cannon also dived into the importance of affirmations in her work. She acknowledged that affirmations, when used correctly, could strengthen one's connection with the universe's energies, making it an essential tool in the manifestation process. By following her guidance on language and affirmations, individuals could effectively harness the power of their thoughts and words to shape their reality, ultimately realizing their desires as she envisioned. Now, real quick, before we move on, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. This way you'll never miss a new video from us, and don't forget to smash that like button. Now we should discuss the importance of the present tense and how words shape your reality. In the teachings of Dolores Cannon, we discover the influence of the words we choose. These words are not just tools for communication, they possess the power to mold our reality. When we use language, we are not just communicating, we are actively creating the world we experience. Every word we utter, think, or write carries its own vibrational frequency. This frequency resonates with our beliefs, emotions, and intentions, thereby shaping the world we experience. When we employ language that aligns with the present tense, we establish a direct link between our current state and our desired outcomes. The universe, as Dolores Cannon recognized, exists within the eternal present. Therefore, the use of present tense language serves as the bridge that connects our intentions with their manifestation. In manifestation, it's vital to understand and appreciate the concept of the universe's perfect timing. The universe operates on its own timeline, which often doesn't align with our immediate desires. Dolores Cannon's teachings emphasize the idea that there's a divine timing for everything, and sometimes our role is to surrender to the schedule. Patience and trust are virtues that Dolores Cannon frequently highlighted. Impatience can create resistance in the manifestation process. When we learn to trust the universe's timing and patiently await the fulfillment of our desires, we allow the energies to align and work their magic. We've all been there, asking for something and then obsessively checking to see if it has arrived. But when it doesn't materialize instantaneously, doubt and frustration often seep in. In Dolores Cannon's technique, she emphasizes the need for patience and trust in the divine timing of the universe. Your desires are not subject to your own timeline. Instead, they are part of a greater plan, a plan that knows the perfect moment for their arrival. Now, it's essential to distinguish between patience and passive waiting. While patience is a virtue, passive waiting involves doing nothing and expecting things to happen magically. In Dolores Cannon's wisdom, she encouraged us to understand that from the moment a desire is conceived, it already exists in the quantum realm, waiting for you to align with it vibrationally. Your universe is a realm of resonance, where like attracts like. If your vibrational frequency wavers with doubt or impatience, your wishes may find it challenging to manifest. To bring your desires into your reality, you must remain committed in your conviction that they are already yours. You need to trust in the divine timing and know that what's yours will find its way to you. Now, let's discuss spiritual alignment. Dolores Cannon emphasized the importance of turning into the right frequency when it comes to manifestation. This means aligning your thoughts, emotions, and intentions with the energy of your desires. By doing so, you increase your resonance with the universe and create a more direct path for your manifestation to materialize. To achieve spiritual alignment, it's crucial to let go of lower vibrational energies that can block the manifestation process. Negative thoughts, doubts, and fears can hinder your progress. Dolores Cannon's teachings encourage us to release these lower energies and replace them with positivity, belief, and clarity. Imagine there are heavy, dark clouds that sometimes hang over your mind and heart. These clouds represent lower vibrational energies like fear, doubt, and jealousy. In Dolores Cannon's teachings, she encouraged us to let go of these heavy clouds. It's like clearing the sky so that the sun can shine through. By releasing these negative feelings, you make room for the brighter, more positive energies that can help you on your journey. Now, let me ask you, have you ever had a really good conversation with a friend where you both felt heard and understood? Well, our interactions with the universe can be like that too. In Dolores Cannon's teachings, she shared that the idea that our thoughts and emotions are like conversations we have with the universe. It's like having a meaningful conversation with the universe when you're positive and clear about what you want. This meaningful interaction establishes a dynamic relationship between you and the universe, facilitating the realization of your desires. Dolores Cannon envisioned manifestation as a dance, where the universe itself is your partner. Just as in a dance, the universe responds to your moves and energy. By recognizing the universe as your partner, you embrace the idea that is actively engaged in helping you manifest your desires. In Dolores Cannon's teachings, she saw the universe as an active participant in creating your reality. It's like dancing with a friend where you both move in harmony to create something beautiful. In this dance of manifestation, there's an element of collaboration. It's not a one-way street. You offer your intentions, energy, and actions, and in return, the universe responds. It's a continuous evolving effort where your commitment and persistence play a significant role. In Dolores Cannon's wisdom, she stressed that it's not a one-time request. It's an ongoing dance where you keep giving and receiving. Dolores Cannon stressed the importance of action, decisions, and focus in the manifestation dance. Your actions, the choices you make, and where you direct your attention all influence the rhythm and direction of the dance. A person taking action, making decisions, and staying focused all contribute to the dance. By taking purposeful steps and maintaining a clear focus on your desires, you actively contribute to the co-creation process with the universe. And throughout this journey, we must be okay with embracing challenges and detours. Life can throw challenges and detours in our path frequently. It's like taking a different route on a road trip. Dolores Cannon's approach encourages viewing problems and challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks to manifestation, she believed they are crucial lessons that can lead to personal and spiritual development. By shifting your perspective, you can turn challenges into stepping stones toward your desires. Resilience and adaptation are essential qualities in the journey of manifestation also. Dolores Cannon emphasized the setbacks and unexpected detours are a natural part of the process. Life isn't always a straight path, it's full of twists and turns. Being resilient and adaptable helps you navigate those twists and keep moving forward. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's dive into the heart of Dolores Cannon's technique, the secret prayer. This powerful component is a key part of the manifestation process and holds the potential to transform your reality in remarkable ways. Before we explore the secret prayer, it's essential to start with relaxation and deep breathing. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can unwind and center yourself. Deep breaths help calm your mind, making you more receptive to the power of the secret prayer. As you relax, begin to visualize your desires with clarity and positivity. See them as if they are already happening, and accompany these visualizations with positive affirmations. This combination sets the stage for your desires to manifest. Gratitude is a powerful component of Dolores Cannon's technique. Express gratitude for what you have and what you're about to manifest. This energy of thankfulness further fuels your manifestation journey. The secret method is not just words, it's a channel of connection between you and the universe. Its significance lies in the ability to amplify your intentions and desires, making them more likely to materialize. Remember, your words are not just mere expressions, they are powerful tools for connecting with the universe and those around you. The language you use in your thoughts and conversations hold the potential to shape your reality. Remember, manifestation is an ongoing conversation with the universe. It's a partnership, a dance where your thoughts, words, and actions are the steps that lead to your desires. Embrace each moment as an opportunity to co-create your reality.